Yo, what's going on, everybody? It's your boy Ike Ude here doing an unboxing video of my wireless lavalier go-tos. They are the wireless go-tos. I just got these in the mail right now. I was a previous owner of them and I was having some bugs and issues. I did get them used, and so ideally I'm hoping that was the main issue. A week into using them, charging them, for whatever reason they started getting buggy. They started freezing up a lot. They started giving me issues. So I sent them in and just got these back. So boom, here I am about to try them out. Outside of the bugs I was having, they were so fun to use. I was doing mic'd up basketball sessions, doing mic'd up workouts, filming yoga classes, all that fun stuff. So everything looks fresh. Everything looks clean. I love how it comes in this compact casing here. And yeah, these roads are going to come with me everywhere. Other than the one bug I had with them, they've been amazing. Like I said, even with the bug, I would continuously try and recharge them, continuously reset them, and try to keep using them because I loved the experience I was having outside of the battery issue and the issues with them continuously freezing up. If there's any pointers and tips after owning them, don't plug this in directly to the wall. Definitely shouldn't plug them in directly to the wall. When mine froze up and started breaking, it was after my friend had plugged in the receiver to the wall. Check out what we got here. As you can see, it comes with one transmitter and two microphones. We have three little rat sound diffusers. We've got the wiring, USB-C, the aux cable. When you are using these microphones, it's going to be really important to download Rode Central. Rode Central is going to be your place to go in and recover all of the microphone storage, as well as reset it and delete everything. Now, I do have to say that when my first pair broke, I had the honor of using the new DJI lavaliers, and I have to say that I had a magical experience using those. I already have these here and I would like to get recording sooner than later, so I'm not gonna do the due diligence of reselling this and then purchasing some new DJI microphones. But I do have to say that if I was able to just purchase either or, I would purchase the DJIs because it's so easy. It's easy to plug into your phone, etc. But I don't want to discourage you guys. Of course, Rode is one of the leading microphone manufacturers, so a lot of people might just stick with Rode. But like I said, if I could switch them out right now, I would grab those DJIs just because it was such an easy and accessible process, so easy to use. But with that being said, y'all, here are the Rode wireless go-to lavalier microphones, and this is the unboxing. Peace.